Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to extract your Barclays statement, so this video is for you. So for that, here's what you have to do. Now, first sign into Barclays online account using your account credential, then click show recent transaction for the bank account you wish to download the .csv statement. So here you can find the show recent transaction. Here you can find it. Then scroll down until the end of the list transaction and click the view all transaction button. At the very bottom you can find this button here. Then in the transaction section, select the date range from here and click the search icon. Select the date range from which timeline you want to get this statement. Then at the very bottom of that list, you can find extract all or the CSV, metadata, personal current account computers, and that's all like here. Now you can find the CSV format, so select the CSV format and simply click on extract all, and that's all you have to do to download all the statements according the timeline and your account on Barclays. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.